The heck? What is this? What's this? I wonder what this could be. Let's take a look. What in Okay, this is very, very exciting. So as you know, I tried the graphic mod the last time, and I was using the Decalomania's product. And he got a hold of me, and he watched the video and saw what had happened, and told me that not only was he going to help me and get me another set so I can actually make this video and then have something to be proud of. Check this out. Jay over at Decalomania. Him and I worked together and came up with not only a stripe. Sorry about the camera work here. He helped me design this. Tell me that is not awesome. Not only does the guy stand behind his product, he heard I was doing it especially for a YouTube channel with the 1320 Challenger in mind. And man, I can't tell you how much I appreciate this guy. Took plenty of time from his day to help me come up with a design that's going to look absolutely amazing. He also created an instruction manual. And I can post this if you like, or you can get it straight from Decalomania. But check this out. It's step by step how to put these things on. Now I kind of skipped through there because I was already looking at them. But check this out. You line it up, and he even puts a little blue tape where you're supposed to put the tape. Shows you how to peel one side back and then do the other side. Has full instructions on what I need to do. I mean, this guy goes all out. So if you need any decals whatsoever, you'd be crazy to use anyone else besides Decalomania. All right, I'm gonna get into this. Stay tuned. All right, so as he states on here, things I need to do this. Clean it thoroughly with alcohol. Got some right there. Position the decal, set it with some tape. Make sure I got my tape, my water and soap mixture, my squeegee, and an X-Acto knife or super sharp mini box cutter is what I'm using. Here we go. Okay, so step 2. Once desired placement is achieved, create a center hinge with a few strips of tape. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that next. My other camera battery died, so I'm gonna wait for that to charge, but here's where we're at so far. Got it lined up, getting ready to put my center stripe on, and we'll go from there. Stay tuned. Now let's move on to page 3. So we're going to cut or tear the tape, pull the left side back to the hinge, leave one half taped and the other half folded. We'll go ahead and pull off that back layer, we'll spray it, and then we're good to go. Peel it back and then line it up. Here we go. Thanks for coming to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe, click the like button, click the little bell if you like these videos a lot. Thanks again. I'm telling you right now, Decalomania, dude is absolutely amazing. Ask for Justin. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.